broken wine glass. Add hot glue, drop moss, add skelly and bat.
This town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner, man, hiding in the trash can. So
Hey guys, so as Halloween is coming up, everyone is going to start buying lots of decor that will most likely go into the landfill after the holiday season is over. So here are some tips and tricks how you can be more eco-friendly for this holiday season. Here are some fall decor items I have within my home. Here I have some flowers I dried from a previous bouquet, and I also have some pumpkins and gourds, which I will compost when I am done with them. I also bought this fall scented candle with the intention of reusing the glass jar when the wax is gone. And if you aren't able to do any of these tips with the current items that you have, or any of the items that you want to buy, make sure you buy with the intent of reusing these holiday decorations for years to come. Make sure to check out our page for more eco tips.
Halloween is next month, so it is time to get started on decorating. And I'm gonna show y'all my favorite DIY that I actually have done the last couple of years to jazz up my front porch, and all you need is a roll of black duct tape. So let's get started.